Guys, here you can see this website is getting more than 125,000 monthly visits. And here you can see top 5 countries. Let me show you how you can use this website to get lots of traffic for your CPA offer. I'm going to use CPAGrip CPA network. Here you can see my result. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step by step how you can get targeted traffic for your CPA offer. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPAGrip CPA network. Guys, this is the best CPA network. This CPA network is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can use this CPA network from anywhere in the world. Here you can see this CPA network have fast payments option. Here you can see dashboard of CPAGrip network. And here you can see a statistics overview of CPAGrip network. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on the CPA network. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my result. You can click on my offers button. You can select your United States country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. Here you can see this CPA offer is performing well. Here you can see performance of the CPA offer. You can click here to open the CPA offer. Here you can see title, here you can see description, here you can see landing page of the CPA offer, and here you can see payout rate. Here you can see this offer is only allowed on Android in United States. Here you can see CPA link. You can click here to copy the CPA link. When user from United States click on the CPA link using Android device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGrip may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. Let me show you how you can promote this CPA offer. First of all, you will have to create landing page. You can visit on Google Sites. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can delete this header section. You can type your site name. Now you can type your title. You can click on text box. You can type your title. You can click here. Now you can select a title style. You can type your title. Now you can select this text. You can make it bold. Now I'm going to insert your image. You can go on CPAGrip network. Here is showing landing page of the CPA offer. You can right click here. You can click on copy image address button. Now you can go on Google Sites. You can click on images button. Click on select button. Now you can click on link button. You can paste your image URL. Here is showing image. You can click on insert button. Now you can customize this image. Now I'm going to type here some text. Click on text box. Type here some text. You can go on CPAGrip network. You can copy this text. Now go on Google Sites. You can paste here that text. I'm going to type here more text. Guys, you can type here this kind of articles. You can use ChatGPT platform to generate articles. Now I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can click on button, type your button name. Now you can paste your CPA link. Go on CPAGrip network. Click here to copy the CPA link. Now go on Google site. You can paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Now you can duplicate this button. You can drag this button here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Type your unique web address. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, guys, I'm going to share with you one of the best traffic source. You can get targeted traffic on this website. You can visit on this website. Here you can see this website is getting more than 125,000 monthly visits. You can select your country. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepted in United States country. You can select your United States country. Now you can scroll down. You can select your category. Now you can scroll down. You can select subcategory. Guys, here you can see advertisements. Lots of people are posting advertisements on this website. Let me show you this advertisement. You can click here to visit on this advertisement. You can scroll down. Here you can see image. Here you can see description. You can scroll down. Guys, here you can see website URL. This person has added website URL in this advertisement. When user will click on this URL, then that user can be redirected on this person's website. Let me show you how you can post advertisements on this website. Guys, you do not need to worry about any kind of investments. You can post advertisements in free. Guys, first of all, you can create account on this website. And then you can click on post your ad button. You can select your country. Guys, this CPA offer is accepted in United States country. You can select your United States country. Now you can select your category. You can scroll down. You can select your category. Other announcements. You can click here. You can select this option. Now you can type your caption. You can type your description. You can go on your Google site, you can copy this title. Now you can paste here. You can type your description. You can go on your Google site, you can copy this text. Now you can paste here. You can scroll down. If you want, you can fill all of this information. You can select your country. You can select United States country. You can scroll down. Here you can see website option. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this website. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can scroll down. Guys, if you want to get all of these features, then you will have to spend some money. If you want to spend money, then you can choose premium ads. I'm creating free advertisements. Click on preview ad button. You can scroll down. Here you can preview your advertisements. If you want, you can click here to edit your advertisements. Or you can click on post your ad button. Here you can see your ad has been successfully posted. You can upload your image. You can go on CPAGrip network. You can save this image. Now you can upload that image. You can click on upload button. Here you can see upload successful. You can scroll down. You can click on view my ad button. You can scroll down. Guys, here you can see image, here you can see description, you can scroll down, and here you can see website URL. When user will click on this URL, then they are redirected on this Google site. You can see this Google site is looking attractive. When user from United States click on this button using Android device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGrip may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. Guys, this website's name is adpost.com. Here you can see this website is getting more than 125,000 monthly visits. If you will create post on this website, then you can get lots of targeted users. Guys, you can also share your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media networks to get lots of users. Using this method, you can get amazing results from CPAGrip network. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.